Alright, no update. We got a supercharger installed. So we're going for 600, 650 horses. Motor built for about 550. So I give it an extra 100 with that. We should be there. I gotta finish the rest of the fuel system. Waiting on some more AN fittings. Finish that part. Other than that, it's all down here. Mount all that shit back up. Then take these rims back off and then go to the tuner. Get it tuned and started.